Hello everyone, my name is Mike Crump. I am the sales director for Tomocube USA, and this is a quick guide for the Tomocube HT-X1 Plus system for people who are already familiar with our basic technology. The HT-X1 Plus will be very familiar to you if you've ever used the standard HT-X1 model, but with some really nice improvements to its performance. One, we've optimized the acquisition to make it easier. Number two, it has a higher throughput. Number three, we've included two new options for fluorescence to make it even better for your sample. In terms of acquisition, you can now tailor the wavelength of light that you want to use so that it matches best option for your sample. We've made it even easier to navigate using a variety of new options. It still has the same stage top incubator for keeping cells happy and alive. And we've improved the holotomography camera to give it a wider field of view and faster acquisition. So it's 4 times faster for 4 times the field of view. For the fluorescence, we have both an epifluorescence module and capacity to use a spinning disc confocal as well. Here you can see the improvements to navigation during experiment setup. We have a live window that gives you a good preview in real time. We have a larger high contrast field of view preview window that allows you to navigate around in a high contrast mode. And for people taking images of slides, we have a slide macro window that shows you the full slide so that you can direct the experiments to where you'd like to image. We allow tunable illumination now, so that not only can you get the same high resolution holotomography that you were used to using blue light resolution, but for deep samples or thick samples, we have red light illumination to improve quality through tissues and samples. And for samples which have a lot of absorption, such as plants, we can now use green light illumination as well to get high signal to noise without those issues. As you can see, the field of view for the holotomography is now much larger. It's 4 times larger, in fact. And not only is it much larger, we can also acquire that larger field of view in about half the time of the standard HT-X1, as quickly as 3 seconds per volume. But we're not reducing the quality of the resultant images. They're just bigger and faster. With that increase in speed and field of view, we have the ability to be very functional in high throughput settings like a 96 well screening, for instance. Taking one field of view per well, we can cover an entire 96 well plate at full resolution in about 25 minutes, meaning this becomes useful for drug discovery and any experiment where you might be looking for a little bit higher throughput than you were used to on the other HT-X1 system. The last feature that I'd like to point out is the new ability to be compatible with 2 types of fluorescence to correlate fluorescence with holotomography. One is the Crest Optics X-Lite V2, which is a spinning disc confocal that is now available to Plus users. This gives you the absolute best resolution for a holotomography system doing correlative fluorescence on the market. Or if you just want a very good epifluorescence system with better control than you had previously, we have the Tomocube FLX100 module, which uses an SCMOS and dedicated filter sets to give you that very reliable quality that you're used to on other types of systems. So that's a quick walkthrough of the X1 Plus system from Tomocube. If you'd like to find out more, please email us at info@tomocube.com. You can go to our website at tomocube.com, Or if you pause the video, you can scan the QR code on screen that will take you to our homepage. Thank you very much.